everybody, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make something that I've never made before. We're going to make fish tacos. Been wanting to try it. You know, I've had them in restaurants, enjoy them in restaurants. I'm going to try to make them here at home. This is going to be kind of a fly by the seat of my pants. I've done a little research. You know, like I said, I've had them in restaurants before, so I kind of know what the flavoring I'm looking for is. So we're going to get you all set up over here, and you're going to come along and try out this new recipe. Bring you right back. Alright y'all, it's going to be real simple here to start. I've got my oven set, warming up to 450 degrees. I've got 4 fillets of sahi. You can use any kind of fish, I think, from what I've seen on the internet and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and yes, 2 of them are frozen, 2 of them are kind of thawed out. I messed up when I was pulling them out of the freezer. I put the wrong, meant to put 2 back in and keep 4 out. And I actually kept 2 out and put 4 back. So it is what it is. Not a big deal. So, alright, we got our sahi in the pan there. I'm going to take a little bit of fresh cilantro, just because I want to. And I'm just going to kind of tear it up, put it in there, you know, stems and all, why not, you know, just a little bit. And then I'm going to take a lime, fresh lime, and I'm going to squeeze that over it. Get it in the pan, Ed. Come on. Don't go no good shooting across the kitchen. So, all right. There's that lime. Let me wipe my hands off here real quick. All right. Now, from everything I've seen, talked to other people that's done this, they just used a standard old taco seasoning and just spread it over the top of the fish. So that's what we're going to do. Is that going to be too much? I don't know. But we're going to find out. You, me, and everybody else. So looks like a lot to me, but that's what I was told to try. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this aluminum foil. I'm going to throw her in the oven for about 20 minutes, 400 degrees, and let this bake and get all goodness. We'll bring y'all back whenever this is all cooked. Alright y'all, just got this out of the oven. Let's pull this top off here and see how this fish turned out. Ooh, don't look bad. Not bad at all. It looks flaky. So I got me a plate over here. So I'm going to slide this off to the side a little bit. Get rid of that foil. Bring that over here. We're going to scoop this out of here. Alright. It's looking really good. So the rest of this goodies out of here. Alright. Slide that back out of the way. Bring that over here. And I think I'm just going to chop this up and kind of mix it up and get that flavor all through all that fish. Alright. Kind of looks good enough for me. Let me get an eating utensil here. We're going to give this a try. I'll be darned. It tastes just like the fish tacos at the restaurants. So, alright. Let me get this off to the side, get that pan out of the way and everything. We'll get our fixings. We'll go ahead and make us up some, well, not technically fish tacos. They're going to be fish burritos. I like burritos. I like the soft wraps, you know, so it could be a soft taco, I guess, but we're going to roll them up like a burrito. We'll bring you back when we go to do that. Alright, y'all, here we go. This is a whole wheat tortilla shell. We're going to grab some of this fish here. Put that in there. That should be enough for that. And then we also got our homemade corn salsa. I'll put a little heaping of that in there. Got our homemade guacamole. There's that. We'll get a 3 cheese blend here for the cheesiness. A little more cheese. I opted out of the sour cream. I've had them in restaurants with sour cream. Didn't really care for it. So I'm going to roll this up and we're going to try it out. So bring you right back. Alright, y'all. Got our fish burrito here. We're going to give her a try. That's pretty good. If never doing it before, I like it. That taco seasoning in there and that fish tastes really good. Of course, the homemade guacamole, homemade corn salsa. That's icing on the cake right there. That's money. So I'm gonna try another bite, and you know, y'all can sit here and watch me. You want a bite? Take a bite. Nom, 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 nom. So, alright, y'all. There you have it. First time ever. Homemade fish tacos. Gotta say, I'm a fan. So, you know, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Hit that, share button. Share this out. Let everybody know we've tried something new. We liked it. If you're new to the channel, reach over there and click that little bell button. Get all the notifications. It's free. You know, don't cost you a dime. Just click away. You know, appreciate that. So, alright, y'all, thanks for stopping by and hanging out and checking out what I'm cooking again today. Really do appreciate it. As always, if you all weren't watching them, I wouldn't be making them. And if there's a recipe out there that something you think I should try, drop me an email. It's in the under the description there, the about page, my home page for my channel. Drop me an email. Tell me what you think I should cook. Not that I'm running out of ideas, but I know all you all want to see me cook different stuff. So help me out. Give me some ideas. So that'll do it for today. Bon appetit, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.